Hi, I'm Batu from freefincal. The Sensex fell 5.17% today. This may seem big, but it's actually the 50th biggest intraday fall. It has actually fallen more than 5.17%, 49 times in its past. Let's take a look at this and also discuss what to do. We will do. I will do a detailed video on this. Write an article on this maybe tomorrow. But then what am I going to say new? I've already been saying the same thing. Before we begin, a wonderful article on data mining in the construction of indices, especially the value indices, which are called the smart beta indices, by an anonymous guest author who is an expert in the financial services. Please do have a look at this. Why investors have to be careful when looking at the backtests of such indices is being discussed. Alright, so let's get back to this. This is a plot of the Sensex, which is in log scale on the left axis, and the daily returns which are negative, and only the daily returns which are equal to or more than, or rather I should say equal to or less than minus 5.17%, that is a bigger fall than today's fall, are plotted there. So there are exactly 50 data points. This is today right here, and that's the 50th biggest fall. Notice that these big falls usually come in bunches. We will talk about positive and positive and negative returns associated with these bunches in a separate video. It's very interesting. But notice that the last time, until about 2009 or so, late 2009, that's when you have seen such frequent occurrences. You saw one kind of bunching in the 2008 crash, one kind of bunching, one sort of bunching in the 2000 crash. Between 2000 and 2008, there were a couple of instances it happened. Then, associated with the Harshad Mehta scam and thereabouts, another bunching. And then in 2015 there was one event. You can see the data here. So today is minus 5.17%, 24th of August 2015 minus 5.94%. That's the most recent such one, and before that only in July 2009. So we have not seen such big crashes for quite a while, and since 2015 to 2020, many young earners would have started their SIPs. So this is the first time they are seeing such a big event. And since 2009 to 2020, I would say most people who are watching this video would have started somewhere between this journey. And so again, this is also a reasonably new territory to them. It's going to be a few interesting days. We should all pray probably that the markets are closed tomorrow because of Holi, I think. So it's a crazy situation, but all in all, we are, I think, with respect to the virus, I think the government is doing quite a good effort, and I would say all both the state and the central governments, and we are reasonably better off in many aspects. There's no need for us to panic. What should young earners do? I think if you're most people who are asking, shall I invest? Shall I stop my SIP? Should I stop? I think they need the money. If you need the money like 10 years away, 15 years away, it makes no difference what you do today. It just makes no difference. Boy, it'll just be purely psychological. My advice is just keep investing, keep investing. Put your head down. Don't look at your portfolio and invest. What is the point in looking at your portfolio? You know it's going to be in red. How does it matter whether it is deep red, pink or whatever? It doesn't matter, right? Just stick to a plan. If you don't have a plan, then this is your wake up call to have a plan. This is a, or it's you don't have, even if this not does not pan out to be a proper full-fledged fall, it can just be a sideways market because the tourism industry has been severely hit, the pharma industry has been hit, many other associated industries will slowly start feeling the pain. There will be this coronavirus is probably the oil. We saw what happened to the oil today. So the coronavirus is going to drag the whole world gradually into a recession. It's going to take some time. So we are going to go expect sideways market I would expect sideways market for at least one year, 1.5 years, something like that, maybe more. I don't know. Just don't worry about all this. Keep pushing money. Dump your money during the sideways market. That's when you will see the gains. Just don't worry about all this. You have to be calm, stay calm, and invest. If you have any questions, let me know. That's what I wanted to say. You can get the full list of such falls from the article link. Bye bye.